Quick video here to show you how to use gradients to create some interesting looking word art and shapes. First of all, click on the object that you want to recolor and then go to the fill color button as usual. You probably know the difference between solid and gradient. In case you don't, a gradient is a color changing gradually to another one, hence the name gradient. You can choose one from the default, or you can go to custom and you can create your own. You decide whether you want linear or radial. Linear is by line, radial is a circle. It's up to you how you want to do that. You can change the angle, you can change where it starts, and so on. I'm going to stay with linear for now. And here's what you got. This little square over here is your first color, and you can see that's right at the top here. This little square over here is your bottom color, and that's at the bottom. If you click on it, you can change the color. So I want it to go from this shade of yellow to another shade of yellow. There you go. If I want to remove that, I can do it. If I want to add one, I can do that. So what I could do is I can drag this little circle anywhere I want, and I can change how gradual the changing color is. And I can also change the colors in between. So I can go from yellow to green and back to yellow if I want to, and put that right in the center. Or I can create some interesting color combinations. So let's start with red, and then let's add some white, and then let's make it blue. Put this in the center, and maybe I'll add another one and make this one white as well to give it more red or white or blue. And now I've got red, white, and blue words. I can do that same thing with the shape. Click on the shape, go to gradient, and now notice it's under my frequently used or recently used options. I already made a rainbow one. It's going to make your text really hard to read, so I wouldn't suggest that for a text box, but you can see how that would work. And again, all you got to do is just go into your fill color, go to gradient, choose custom, decide the shape that you want for your gradient. So if I change this to radial, so it creates another interesting effect there. You can do that as well. So you can really make your word art stand out. And while I'm on the subject, don't forget that you can go up to format options and you can add things like drop shadow or reflection to make your word art or your shapes or any object really stand out.